Today I'm going to show you how to take an ordinary hoagie roll and turn it into crispy, cheesy garlic breadsticks. Now, growing up in my house, we always had to figure out how to turn a little bit into a lot. I'm originally from Jersey, grew up in Philadelphia, and the hoagie roll in particular was a staple. Everyone loved the cheesesteak, you loved the hoagie, but I'm going to show you today how to take that same hoagie roll and turn it into a bomb plate of cheese sticks, similar to what you'll find at your favorite pizzeria. Easy ingredients here. Get you a couple tablespoons of butter. I'm using garlic butter. I got some fresh parsley that I chopped up, some olive oil, and of course, mozzarella cheese. You definitely need that. Now, the star of this, as we mentioned earlier, is a couple of the hoagie rolls. I'm using 2 of the 12 inches, and all we're gonna start doing is we're gonna slice these into halves. You want basically 2 halves like this. Once you get those together, you wanna lay these down on your baking pan or on foil or whatever method you're using. And now we're gonna start to build them up. In the meantime, heat your oven to 450 degrees on bake, and we're gonna put these on the center rack. All right, you're gonna take some olive oil and you're gonna do 2 drizzles back and forth. That's all you need. Do that to every piece of bread that you have. The kids are gonna absolutely love this. These are good for game night, just want a snack, or if you're just hungry. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is gonna take some of this garlic butter here. I'm using garlic butter because I like the added flavor. You do not have to add it, but you wanna drizzle that in 1 or 2 directions on your bread as well, just to give it a little flavor. Very simple. And the next step is the cheese. And for a little added touch, some fresh parsley. All right, just like that. So now we take this, we throw it in that 450 degree oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how your oven heats. And at the very end, I like to switch it to broil just to heat the top, to crust it up a little bit and get that nice color. So let's go. All right, we got these fresh out the oven, looking real good. Now we're gonna lay these down and get these cut up. Separate these on the side like this. There we go. And there you go. You pair this with a nice side of pizza dipping sauce. Now, I've made this myself today where I took a pizza base, chopped up some parsley and some fresh garlic and put it in here, but it's a lot of flavor in it, so this adds a nice touch. But if you just want to have it just like this, just go for it. I hope you like this. And usually I will sample my own food because I really want this, but I'm on a 5-day fast, water fast, and unfortunately, this is day 2 and I can't eat, but I'm gonna have my cameraman come on this side of the table today. As a matter of fact, can you grab that? Somebody grab the camera who's not a cameraman, even if it wobbles. And you should come and get on this side so y'all can see my cameraman. The kids are gonna love this. The whole family is gonna know it's amazing. And here, you've never tried this, right?
Never.
So okay, so here's it go. Get you a nice one. There we go. We get you. Yep, you can dip it. We're gonna get his review.
All right, ready?
Yep. Hear that crunch? I can hear that crunch. What you think? Is it good?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah?
Let me dip it on the other side.
Dip it on the other side. So whole family alike is easy to make. The crunch is really good and it's pretty shocking. You think it's shocking that it's made with a hoagie roll?
Oh yeah, and it's super easy too.
There you go. So enjoy, follow, like it, subscribe, share it with a friend. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these out to the hungry folks behind the camera. There you go.